The mystery of the deep waters. Imagine standing at the edge of an endless ocean, where the horizon blurs into the sky. The waters are calm but alive, brimming with untapped energy, waiting for form, for thousands of years. This imagery, the waters of the deep, has been used across cultures to describe the origins of existence. In Taoism, these waters represent the Tao, the unshaped and limitless source of all creation, constantly flowing yet inexhaustible. In the Bible's Genesis account, it said, "The earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep." These aren't just poetic metaphors, they symbolize the infinite potential that underpins reality. What's fascinating is that modern science now supports these ancient ideas, showing how our awareness and focus actively shape the world around us. Today, we'll take a deep dive into this universal concept, exploring its connections to ancient wisdom, quantum physics, and how you can use these insights to create the life you desire. Part 1. A universal theme across cultures. Across the world, this idea of boundless, primordial waters or infinite potential appears in countless traditions. Gnostic teachings. Pleroma. The Gnostics described the pleroma as a state of fullness, an infinite reservoir of all possibilities. It remains dormant until activated by conscious thought, which turns these potentials into reality. Alchemite. Prima materia. Alchemists referred to the prima materia as the raw substance from which all creation springs. With skill and intention, they believed it could be transformed into gold, knowledge, or enlightenment. Hermeticism. Virgin of the world. Hermetic texts speak of the Virgin of the world as a hidden wellspring of wisdom lying dormant, accessible only through focus, awakening, and intention. Hindu mythology. Cosmic ocean. In Hindu creation stories, the universe begins as an infinite ocean before life emerges. Similarly, Native American traditions describe the first peoples as emerging from watery voids. Part 2. Modern science validates ancient wisdom. Fast forward to the 20th century, and science begins to echo these ancient teachings. The double-slit experiment in quantum physics reveals how observation and consciousness play an active role in shaping reality. Here's what the experiment showed. When particles, such as electrons, are fired at a barrier with two slits, they behave like waves, creating patterns of interference. This shows that the particles exist as possibilities, not fixed outcomes. However, the moment scientists observe or measure the particles, their behavior changes, the wave collapses, and the particles align into a single, fixed point. This phenomenon, called wave function collapse, reveals a profound truth. Reality exists in a state of potential until observed. Conscious observation is what determines what becomes real. This discovery is groundbreaking because it aligns with the ancient idea that our awareness shapes the world around us. Part 3. Consciousness as the creator of reality. The implications of this are extraordinary. The universe is not a fixed, unchanging structure, it's a dynamic, fluid field of possibilities. This ties directly to Hermetic teachings, particularly the principle, as above, so below, as within, so without. When you focus on fear, chaos, or negativity, you create ripples that manifest as obstacles in your life. But when you align with love, gratitude, and positive energy, the universe reflects these back to you. Imagine reality as a still pond. Every thought, belief, and emotion is like a stone cast into the water, creating ripples that influence the entire surface. Your inner world is constantly interacting with the fabric of existence. Part 4. The Hermetic Laws of Creation. Ancient Hermetic philosophy provides a blueprint for understanding how to harness this creative power. Let's explore these principles. The law of mentalism. Everything begins in the mind. The universe is a mental construct, shaped by thought and awareness. Just as an artist envisions their work before creating it, your thoughts shape the blueprint of your reality. The law of vibration. Everything vibrates at a frequency. Positive thoughts, gratitude, and joy emit high vibrations, attracting similar outcomes. Negative emotions, like anger or fear, emit lower vibrations, aligning with chaos. The law of correspondence. The micro reflects the macro. Changes within ripple outward to influence the external world. If you want to change your circumstances, begin by transforming your inner state. The law of cause and effect. Every thought, action, and emotion sets a cause in motion, leading to an effect. Positive causes create positive results. Negative causes create barriers. The law of rhythm. Life flows in cycles. Understanding these rhythms allows us to align with the natural flow of the universe, rather than resisting it. These principles aren't just abstract ideas, they're practical tools for manifesting your desires. Part 5. Light and sound forces of creation. Two elemental forces, light and sound, play a critical role in understanding reality's vibrational nature. Light. In quantum physics, light behaves both as a particle and a wave, embodying potential until observed. Spiritually, light symbolizes awakening and divine energy. The phrase "let there be light" in the Bible reflects the idea of creation beginning with awareness. Sound. Sound is vibration in motion. Ancient cultures described creation as being spoken into existence. The Hindu Om represents the primordial sound of the universe. Modern science supports this idea through cymatics, which shows how sound vibrations can organize matter into symmetrical patterns. These forces teach us that reality is fundamentally vibrational. By tuning your inner vibrations, your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, you align with the outcomes you wish to manifest. Part 6. The mind as a creative tool. Your mind is the ultimate instrument for shaping reality. Hermeticism calls this the law of mentalism. The all is mind. Your thoughts are like seeds planted in the fertile soil of the universe. Here's why mindfulness is essential. Positive, focused thoughts elevate your vibration, opening doors to opportunities and abundance. Negative or chaotic thoughts create blockages, manifesting limitations in your external reality. Self-awareness allows you to observe your thoughts, identify limiting beliefs, and replace them with empowering ideas. This transforms the way you experience and interact with the world. Part 7. Practical steps for manifestation. Here are actionable steps to align your thoughts and actions with the universe's creative flow. Cultivate awareness. Spend time observing your thoughts and emotions without judgment. Notice patterns of negativity and consciously redirect them toward positivity. Practice gratitude. Gratitude raises your vibration. Begin each day by acknowledging 3 things you're grateful for. Visualize your goals. Create a vivid mental image of your desired outcome. Feel the emotions associated with achieving it as though it's already real. Take inspired action. Manifestation isn't just about thinking, it requires action. Take consistent steps toward your goals, trusting that the universe will meet you halfway. Trust the process. Surrender your doubts and trust that the universe is working in your favor, even if the path isn't immediately clear. Part 8. Aligning with the universal flow. True manifestation isn't about forcing outcomes, it's about aligning with the universe's natural rhythm. Resistance creates friction, but alignment creates harmony. This process requires us to accept life cycles, understanding that every challenge is an opportunity for growth. Surrender control, trusting the greater wisdom of the universe. When your thoughts, emotions, and actions align with universal flow, manifestation becomes effortless. Closing reflection. Becoming the conscious creator. You are not just a participant in life, you are a creator. Every thought, intention, and emotion shapes the world around you. The universe isn't separate from you, it's a reflection of you. By aligning with these principles, you unlock the power to create a life filled with purpose, clarity, and abundance. Step into your truth, embrace your role as the conscious creator of your reality and the world.